Let's get our hair prepared for the next heat wave. Here are 5 Frizz fighting products that we love on Hair.com. First up, Redken Extreme Bleach Recovery Lamellar Water, which works great even if you don't have extreme bleach to recover from. It's a porosity-filling, Cica-formulated rinse-off treatment that you'll use after shampooing. And speaking of shampoo, Pureology Smooth Perfection Shampoo is a fave to control frizz. 100% vegan, sulfate-free formula made with ingredients like shea butter and camellia to help smooth frizzy, color-treated hair. After shampoo, we must condition, and Kerastase Discipline is great to boost shine and banish frizz. Plus, with Kerastase, you always know you're getting a luxurious experience. And we can't talk luxury without talking L'Oreal Professional's Gold Absolute Repair Mask. This resurfacing rinse-out hair mask is in a lot of our videos for very good reason. The cream-to-gel golden formula helps to resurface damaged hair, making it 7 times smoother and shinier in just 3 to 5 minutes. And finally, let's keep it in the L'Oreal Professional family with our fave styling tool, the Steam Pod, which uses steam technology to style hair 2 times faster, 2 times smoother, and with 91% less breakage. Plus, you get 24-hour frizz control, and with the humidity that we've been experiencing, that is an absolute must-have.